Good day, Prof. Balibalos, and to everyone. I am Nanilo Rebato. Today, I am proud to present my entrepreneurial action plan for Kapet Gulong Biyahe Food Hub. I am launching this venture under a strict solopreneurship model. As a solo owner and operator, I will personally manage the entire micro-retail cycle, from morning inventory preparation and route driving to direct cash flow management. Next, let us look at the market gap on our local streets every morning. During the peak rush hour from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m., tricycle drivers, jeepney operators, and commuting students and workers face a major problem. They urgently need a heavy, budget-friendly breakfast, but they completely lack the time to get it. Commercial fast food is simply too expensive for daily consumption, and traditional carinderias require valuable time to stop, park, and sit down. My business directly solves this problem by catching these busy commuters right along their morning travel routes, transforming a normal street corner into an instant breakfast stop. Next is product or service. To address this need, I have designed a highly focused, low-cost menu optimized for immediate consumption and fast service. Our product line consists of first, the Biyahe Bowl that costs 35 to 40 pesos. It is hot, heavy rice porridge or lugaw and warm rice meals with instant toppings like egg, hot dog, or siomai. These are served in eco-friendly paper bowls designed to fit perfectly into a vehicle cup holders. The next one is the Pajak Pack that costs 20 pesos. It is freshly baked, pre-wrapped local pandesal sandwiches built for customers who need high energy on the go. And lastly, our best seller. It is Kapet Gulong Brew that costs 15 pesos. It is premium hot local Baraka coffee poured directly from a secure thermal dispenser mounted on the vehicle. Our service model eliminates waiting times through a rapid 30-second point and pay handover system, allowing customers to get their hot breakfast without delaying their journey. The next one is our target market. It is highly concentrated, specific, and easy to reach. We are focusing directly on tricycle and jeepney drivers waiting at local terminal lines, students walking to morning classes, and everyday commuters. These areas provide a steady, reliable volume of daily traffic looking for a tipid but satisfying meal. Next one is competitive advantage. What gives Kapet Gulong a distinct competitive advantage over ordinary food stalls? The secret here is it lies entirely in our mobile and compact vehicle design. This custom food cart is permanently attached to the side of a bicycle, and this allows the business to be completely mobile, enabling me to easily follow customer traffic across different terminal spots. Furthermore, we solve the common issue of street space management. The vehicle has a built-in mini table and stools attached right to the metal frame. And when parked, they unfold instantly so 2 to 3 customers can quickly stand or sit to it. And when it is time to move, they fold completely flat against the cart frame, keeping the setup compact and fully compliant with local sidewalk rules. And lastly, why customers should support your business. So why does Kapet Gulong deserve a high grade and your professional support today? Because it proves that successful entrepreneurship is about solving local problems with practical, low-cost solutions. With a realistic startup capital of only 15,000 pesos, this model achieves maximum cost efficiency. Because I operate completely alone, we completely eliminate labor costs, which is the biggest financial drain for any startup. And this allows the business to hit an exceptional 50% to 55% net profit margin, where every single peso of clean profit goes directly back to the owner to scale the business. So, Kapet Gulong, faster, cheaper, and right along your journey. And that ends my action plan and business pitch. Thank you for listening.